Hello everyone, I'm Chen-Ming, and today I'd like to share my thoughts on the article How Emojis and the Relationships Shape the Sarcasm Perception in the Computer-Mediated Communication by Xue and Li in 2025. I found this study especially interesting because it relates closely to how we communicate through the texting in daily life, especially in the Chinese culture. The researchers tested how 5 emojis wink, smiling, smirk, tears of joy, and unamused affect how people understand sarcasm in ambiguous messages. They also look at the relationship between the sender and the receiver, friend, partner, or superior. They asked the 127 Chinese participants to rate how sarcastic, friendly, or humorous each message seemed. One finding I really agree with is that the wink emoji doesn't always show the sarcasm in the Chinese digital culture. While the Western studies say that wink means sarcasm, in this study, Chinese users saw it more as a playful or friendly, especially in the positive messages. I've also used this emoji in that way, more to tease, not to criticize. So I think this result reflects reality. And another result was that the unamused emoji make the messages feel more sarcastic and unfriendly, especially when the text was positive. This shows how emoji text mismatch can read a sarcastic tone. I think it's true. Sometimes one emoji can totally change the message's meaning. The study also found that the relationships matters. Messages from a partner were more likely to be seen as sarcastic, while the messages from a boss were usually taken literally. That makes sense to me. We joke more we close with people and are more formal with superiors. And I also like the study's design. The sceneries felt realistic, and the measuring reaction time add the depth to the analysis. But there are some limits. For example, they only used 5 emojis, and all the participants were Chinese, so the result may not be applied to everyone or other cultures. In the end, I still think this research is very useful because it shows that emojis didn't just the cute pictures, they shape how we feel and interpret messages. Understanding how emojis work in different cultures and relationships can help avoid misunderstanding and make our online communication clearly and friendlier. Thanks for your listening. That's all.